So the Bullet series are with fitness and downwinding in mind. Initially, the Bullet only came in one size. It was the 17 foot 4 inches. But I had so many requests to make something a little bit more easier to carry around, handle. So I came out with a 14 footer. This year we come out with a 14 foot second generation, which is really well received. And the 12.6 is available, and now an 11 as well. These are really fun, versatile boards. If you have one board to choose that you can surf with, downwind with, or for fitness early morning in the harbor, flat water, this is the board. When I made this board, I really wanted to deviate from your typical big longboard shape. I wanted to build an SUP board, not looking like a surfboard, not looking like a canoe, just functioning like an SUP board. They have a slight single concave on the bottom, give you the optimum side stability. They give you control when you do get on a bump and glide. The longer sizes, the 14 and the 17, come with steering, optional. The 14 and the 12.6 are available in a economic TWC construction. The other ones are in a single carbon composite lightweight construction. The X Series for fitness and competition. Important to remember that the X Series are the one series of ours that have a displacement bottom shape. Displacement meaning canoe type bow to cut through the water with as little drag as possible. These boards are not truly designed to be planing. Like downwind boards, you catch a bump and you're going from displacement mode to planing mode. That's why all the other boards have a flat bottom. These boards cut through the water at low speed and have less drag. They have low rocker, fairly flat, a little bit of tail rocker, lower contoured deck. All of it is to be comfortable at lower speeds, basically. Our most popular series last year, they sold well, the X12 and X14. Our team riders did well on it. A bunch of prestigious races were won. In a nutshell, they're designed with glide in mind. 2 lengths available, 12 and 14, and several widths available. These boards are available in a TWC, more economic construction, and the SIC lightweight carbon fiber construction. The Recon series is our surf and all-around fun series. Available in 5 sizes, the 9.9, the 10.4, the 10.6, an 11.4 and the 11.11. The 9 and 10 footers have a quad fin setup and are designed to surf, truly like a surfboard, where the 11 footers are single fin and are more versatile with keeping the ability to glide in mind. The 11.11 is a fun board too that is just under 12 foot obviously, and you can enter the surf class races with it. It's becoming a more popular class in like the Battle of the Paddle, where it cannot be 12.6 and it has to look like a longboard. So your 11.11 will satisfy that category. Our second surf line, in addition to the Recon, is called the Fish. 3 sizes, 7.11, an 8.8, and a 9.5. They have a full outline, so you can go short yet still be stable. They have a low rocker easy to catch waves on small days. It's a fun, short surfboard. Our new inflatables are called the Air Glide series. They're portable, accessible, travel adventure ready. 4 sizes, 9.9, 10.4, 11.4, and a 12.6. For distance and fitness, we mimicked the X12 hardboard and made it into inflatable. For all-round surf and fun, we based the 9, 10, and 11 on the Recon surfboard series. They're durable, lightweight, and travel ready. Comes complete with removable fin, adjustable paddle, pump, and a cool backpack.